It took us 30 hours to get from the United States to the Maldives with our 2 kids. Here's what our journey looked like. First, we took a 15-hour flight from San Francisco to Doha on Qatar Airways Qsuites, which is their business class cabin. This flight actually went really fast because the service and food was amazing and the seats go completely flat, so everybody was able to sleep. By the way, we booked this with miles and paid only $7.65 each. Then we had an 8-hour layover in Doha, but because we flew business class, we were able to use their business class lounge, which has food and showers. So we were able to get cleaned up and feel refreshed before the next flight, which was about a 5-hour flight to Malé. So after we collected our luggage in Malé, someone from the hotel was waiting for us and then took us over to the lounge for the seaplanes. We had a really short wait because luckily the seaplane was already getting ready to take off. So they whisked us onto the seaplane and we had about a 30-minute ride in the seaplane, which was kind of small for my husband who's tall, but the views from there were amazing. So it was absolutely worth it. Then we landed at our resort. We stayed at the Conrad Maldives first, and they welcomed us with fresh coconut drinks. The kids were exhausted by then, but then as soon as they saw the island, they were refreshed and couldn't wait to jump in.